Hi, I'm Michael with Fluke. We often hear questions about how to ensure you're getting the best photos from your IR camera. One of the easiest ways is to clean the lens properly. Your camera should be treated with care and gently cleaned as needed. Take great care whenever you touch the lens or display screen. The lens elements are made from germanium crystal and easily can shatter or be scratched and chipped. And the LCD screen is sensitive to excess pressure. To protect your camera, replace the lens cap and store the camera in the case when you are not using the camera. To avoid damaging your camera, use a cleaning blower to remove large particles and dust prior to using a cloth. Thanks for watching. I'm Michael. For more Fluke Pro tips, please subscribe to our channel.